Let's trace the factorial of 5. Let's see what happens during this recursive call. When the factorial of 5 is called, it goes to the recursive step. 5 times factorial of 4. At this point, the interpreter will have to call the factorial of 4 first before it can finish the current function. The factorial of 4 is called, and it goes to the recursive step. 4 times factorial of 3. Again, it has to finish the new function call first, so we call factorial of 3. Same thing happens. It goes to the recursive step. 3 times factorial of 2. Factorial of 2 executes, and it goes to 2 times factorial of 1. The factorial of 1 is called to go to 1 times the factorial of 0. But this time, we reach the base case, since the factorial of 0 is 1. So there are no more recursive calls, and we start going back. So 1 is returned. We now have 1 times 1. We return that. We now have 2 times 1. We also return that. So we now have 3 times 2. We return that. So it's now 4 times 6. We return that. And finally, we get back to the original function. So 5 times 24, we return that, and that's 120.